What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the app photos app. Now click on it and here you can see the option storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of photos. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open photos app. Now click on album and scroll down and click on recently deleted. Now here you can see your recently deleted photos or videos. Here you can recover these photos or videos. After that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.